Hi everyone, this is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you were with me last week, we created this junk journal slash mini album, and I shared it with you. And in the meantime, since last week, I have created a box for it to fit in. And I have also drawn, not really drawn, but decided on who is going to be the winner for this journal and this box. And this whole bundle, plus a few little more stuff, will be heading to Crafty Smiles. She's the only one who actually shared the video, so since that was what the giveaway was supposed to be about, then she gets this. Okay, I have actually taped the making of this box, so if you stay tuned, that's what you are going to see next. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting. Bye.